Hey guys, welcome back to my hey guys, welcome hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla. Today I'm bringing you I hope it's not, the background was not too loud, but today I'm bringing you a pamper day. No, not a pamper day, but like a night self-care day, but like evening time. So I have a yoga class that I'm going to at around 5. It's like almost 4 now. So in the meantime, it is 4 now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be playing Sims because I contribute that to self-care. And if you don't, check it out here. But yeah. I also might do some reading and some writing today. Who knows? I'm gonna be watching a movie today, or K-drama or anime, because yes, I feel self-care. Face mask, bath time, candle lighting in the bath. Like, we're doing it all. We're doing the 9. We might even be baking some cookies, or at least making some cookies. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty fun night. So if you want to join with me, if you want to watch this when you're in the bath, if you want to watch this eating some popcorn, getting a nice mimosa or soda or water, hello, grab it and join me. Let's get into the video. The freaking, what's it called? Yoga. Hold on. I'm tired as hell from the freaking yoga. Now we're gonna make dinner and make a face mask and go run my bath.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 Times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs. Every day that I'm alive, I'ma ride with this stick. I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. Told my brothers take my breath if I turn to a snitch, but I'm 21.
Only at Grambling University.
Let's take a few
La, la,
moments
la,
to
la.
calm the mind and relax the body. Come.
Okay guys, wait, I have a few things to talk about. One, food looks bomb. Delicioso. Second of all, first of all, Demon Slayer's on Netflix. One. Third of all, Bonding new season. And third of all, we're finna watch Run On.
Like, okay.
Sorry, but yeah. Anyways, but I was just really excited that Bonding, like, they finally came out with the season 2. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's chow down. I have my food. I have my sparkling water. I have regular water. Finally, I'm done. I'm so tired, but also, yeah. And then later on, I'm gonna FaceTime with my friends and we're gonna watch a movie, and then I'll do my face mask, and yeah, maybe have some pink milk. I feel like it's only right. It's only right. But anyways, maybe I'll play some more Sims too. But I'll talk to you guys later. Swirl. Mango. face mask. Cause girl, my shoes. Going to continue reading my book. Here are my cookies and my milk. And I'm listening to this on audiobook. I'm on page 162, chapter 15. Since I just did a face mask,